Well, good morning. It's Friday. You know what that means. The dessert diva's in the house.
I'm here.
That's right. Danette Randall here to cook up something amazing as always. What do we got?
Okay, so you know the Bucks are in London.
Yes.
We're very excited about that. So I made a raspberry almond English trifle. Because maybe you're having some people over.
I like
You want to
that.
make something London-y.
Right. You can pull out your fancy stuff.
Well, okay. So this is a trifle dish, and not everybody has this. So that's why we're going to make it in here today. But I also want to show you. You could just use a Pyrex bowl. It's just about the layering, and it's just about looking at it, and it's pretty.
Yeah.
And it's so simple. Now I did the basic simple because typically, traditionally, it would be soaked in sherry. It would be sponge cake, or you'd make the pound cake or a white cake, but I just bought pound cake.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and I bought custard. You can use vanilla pudding if you don't want to make a homemade custard, because custard is daunting for some people. It's a lot of eggs and the whisking. There's something called Bird's custard powder. It's over here. You can get it at Cost Plus Market. You can get it at some stores. You can order it on Amazon. It'll be here in a day.
So it's called Bird's.
Yeah, it's Bird's, and it's traditional English custard powder. However, just get vanilla pudding.
Yeah.
If you don't, you know what I mean? It's simple, and you can lighten it up with the whipped cream, and it'll be the same theory. Okay,
And it looks beautiful.
Thank you,
It
Melissa.
does. I want to make
All
these
right,
now.
So, listen, pound cake, you just buy 1 pound cake. That's all you need.
All right.
You can buy the frozen Sara Lee, or you can just buy it in the bakery. Buy a fresh one if you can. You're going to, cut it up, and you're going to cut it into cubes. Really easy right here. That's what we start with. So we're just going to take this. Now, you could do it the night before. You can also do it just a few hours beforehand, because it's nice when it sits.
All right.
So that's all you do. You're going to
So
take
you
the
kind of
pound
layering
cake.
this?
Yeah, that's all this is. That's all
Wow.
a trifle is. And there's all different types of trifles. I just particularly like the raspberry and almond. People do chocolate. The traditional one, like I said, is mainly sherry. You put a little bit of liquor on it. So that's the pound cake. Now you take a little bit of Cointreau. Put a little bit of Cointreau over the bread. You let that soak. We're going to do raspberry jam. See, I
it's
love
delicious.
and you just kind of spread that all around. And then after that, we've got the custard. And see what I mean? It's just about layering. Now you're gonna do it, you're not gonna do it as hurly-burly as I'm doing it right now, but you're gonna spread that around, and you wanna make sure that the Cointreau, you could use sherry, you could use
I was just going to say,
Chambord.
Cointreau is a liqueur.
Yeah, Cointreau's a liqueur.
Okay.
Grand Marnier, you use Grand Marnier, or you could use Cointreau, what's the raspberry one? I just said it. Oh, Chambord. That's really good with this too. So soak the bread. Then you're just going to do sliced almonds. You're going to do a few raspberries. You top it off with the whipped cream that I've added a little bit of almond extract to that.
Oh, okay.
A little bit of powdered sugar. Go like that. And then all you do is you start. Am I almost
Layer
out
it
of
like
time?
lasagna.
Yes,
We
we
are out of time.
You know who can identify with this is Lee Spann, because she and I have been known in the past to get our British on.
Oh,
okay. So we've done this before.
Yes, we have. That's right. We've had a little spot of tea together.